Welcome to heaven and hell. Oh my god. Alright, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hot mess is not even the word. This is just an awful disaster. This is my little makeup station. Ignore the stains on my carpeting. I'm awful at keeping everything from falling off the carpeting. I probably should have bought a rug, but whatever. So I think the easiest thing for this is just me doing a time lapse of myself cleaning because I don't know how long this is gonna take. And yeah, so God, there's me. I don't even want to. Like, look at this, an empty tissue box with one tissue. Good job, Carla. So these are, I guess I'll just show you guys my drawers really quick. This is like my pigment, it's just random crap drawer. More random crap. God, look how dirty these are. Oh my God. So embarrassing. More crap. Not crap, but good stuff, but literally I've had this for like 12 years. It's disgusting. I don't even know why I have it. I don't even use it. But I'm a hoarder and I can't get rid of things. More stuff. This is my theatrical drawer. Oh my God. This is awful. This is so bad. Oh, this is like foundations, primers. That's pretty much it, honestly. Powders, highlighters, setting sprays, blushes. Look at that. I literally shattered one of my eyeshadow palettes yesterday. And it got all over my clothes and everything. And yeah, I'm gonna steam clean in here. Here's all my liquid lipsticks that like half of them are expired and smell disgusting, so these are all probably going in the garbage. More liquid lipsticks and sprays and sanitizers and stuff. And more theatrical. So that's pretty much all my makeup. I don't think I'm gonna touch this today. This is all my acrylic nail stuff, and I just don't feel like doing that today. So yeah, welcome to Carla's world. I swear to God, it's not always this messy. I try to stay as clean as possible because I'm OCD and I like having organization. Yeah, it's not always this messy. Oh my God, and my brushes are disgusting too. I need to clean those, and yeah, just everything's a mess. So I'm gonna replace all this crap with all of my new goodies that I bought from the last video, the haul. So if you guys want to see me break my back and clean all this crap, keep on watching. Hey guys, so I had to stop yesterday. I was on the home stretch. I was just finishing cleaning up like the counter area, and then I was going to clean my brushes, and that was it. Long story short, 2 weeks ago, my boyfriend and I were getting ready to go to the gym. I had oatmeal and a banana and some caffeine. This stuff. It's just this little like caffeine enhancer. It's super healthy. It's not like pre-workout or anything. It's actually full of vitamins. And when we got to the gym, I straight up felt like I was having a heart attack. It was terrifying. My face started to get all swollen. It was so red. It looked almost purple. I was basically just one giant hive. And it landed me into the emergency room. We had no idea what happened. I've eaten bananas before. I was like, it's not bananas. It's not oatmeal. Like I honestly thought it was like a caffeine overdose, even though I only had about 60 milligrams of caffeine. And your average cup of coffee has about 100 milligrams, so it was not that much. So long story short, blah, 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 fast forward to yesterday. I was cleaning, doing my thing, and it was about 4:30. My boyfriend gets home at 5 from work, and I decided to have a banana because I was hungry, and I didn't actually feel like stopping and cooking a meal because when I'm in cleaning mode, it's like beast mode. I'm like, no, I gotta get this done. And yeah, within 30 minutes, I had a complete anaphylactic reaction. So turns out I guess I'm allergic to bananas. No idea where that even came from. I Googled it and it said sometimes the rubber in banana trees can induce like what they call it, like a latex fruit induced allergy. I'm not allergic to latex either, so I don't know. For those of you who know me, I have so many health issues, so this wasn't really that much of a surprise. So thank God my boyfriend came home. He jabbed me in the thigh with an EpiPen, and then I took a few Benadryl and passed out. Probably should have gone to the hospital, but I'm there like every week because I have so many health issues. So I'm sick and tired of going to the hospital. So we're on day 2. I got a little bit delayed, but yeah, fun times. My life's always so exciting. So yeah, if you guys want to see me finish cleaning, since we are on the home stretch, I just got to finish my brushes, and this whole counter was clean and now it's a mess because I have all these medications and just random crap on here. So I'm gonna quickly clean this up, finish my brushes, and I will do the big reveal because oh my gosh, you guys, the drawers look so good. And I promised myself I will never let them go to crap again. We'll see how long that lasts. All right, back to the video. All right, you guys. Oh my goodness. Ignore the stains. I haven't steam cleaned yet, but oh my gosh. My brushes are cleaned. Everything's clean. Oh, finally. All right, now for the big reveal of the drawers. So you guys saw what it looked like before. It was pretty bad. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. Ooh. All new liquid lipsticks. The ones that I kept are the ones that are still good, but the majority of them got thrown out. Ooh. And I even did my theatrical. I wasn't going to, and I was like, you know what? I'm putting all this work and effort into doing this. I might as well do my theatrical. I know it doesn't look that clean, but whatever. And then coming over here. Ooh, so pretty. God, I'm so happy to have new makeup. Oh my God, you guys don't even understand the struggle. I haven't bought new makeup for myself in like 3 years. So many palettes. Couldn't get that stuff out. That's pretty much stained, but you know, we did what we could. Ooh, this is basically like my Urban Decay drawer. The majority of the stuff is Urban Decay, except for like a few stuff like this and this and that and that. Ooh. All right, so this is all garbage, well, recycling, because need to save the earth. So yeah, this is all like random packaging and stuff. Some of it is from the new stuff I bought. Some of it is from old stuff that I just took the makeup out so I could recycle it, because this would be awful going into the trash. This is a lot of paper and cardboard and plastic. So there's that. Oh my goodness. Here is all of the makeup and just nasty stuff going into the trash. This thing weighs literally like 10 pounds. Oh my God, this is so heavy. so much gross, nasty, expired, disgusting, awful makeup. And my footsies. Oh, look at my little baby. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. Oh, all right, you guys. It is done. It's finally done. That took way longer than expected. But I'm so happy it's over and done with, and I can finally do makeup in a clean workspace. It's a little bit not as crazy as before. Like I said, I promised myself that I won't ever let it go to crap again. We'll see how long that lasts. But thank you guys so much for watching as always. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, blah, 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 all that fun stuff. And all right, until the next one, bye.